welcome back to my channel Dr. Nasreen's Academy. In today's video, I'll be telling or discussing about Shar Sutra therapy, which is very much popular in Ayurvedic science. So, what is basically a Shar Sutra therapy is? So, Shar is a caustic or alkaline substance and Sutra means thread. So, Shar Sutra is a medicated thread prepared with a linen thread of specified physical characteristic to meet the quality of the finished product described ahead by coating it with layers of materials obtained from plants. So, if we see a gist of the definition, that means Shar Sutra is an Ayurvedic device coated thread prepared by repeated smearing of herbal alkaline drugs. So, what are those alkaline drugs? We'll see it in further slides. Modalities of Shar Karma. Shar means alkaline substance. So alkaline substance से और क्या क्या चीजें बनती है क्षार सूत्र के अलावा? क्षार सूत्र के अलावा क्षार वर्ती, क्षार उदक या क्षार इरिगेशन और क्षार इंजेक्शंस भी बनते हैं, which is an advancement. So, कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? एक स्टेरलाइज थ्रेड लेते हैं. कौन सा थ्रेड लेते हैं मैं वो भी बताऊंगी. A sterilized thread is repeatedly soaked in a solution of herbal medicine allowed to dry. A total of 21 coatings is given on the thread to prepare a Shar Sutra or medicated alkaline thread. So, what are the coatings of the herbal drugs? 11 coatings of Snuhi latex. Snuhi is an herbal drug on surgical thread for 11 consecutive days. Then 7 coatings of Snuhi latex and Apamark Shar given for 7 consecutive days. Then 3 coatings of Snuhi latex and Haridra powder for 3 consecutive days. So, a total of 21 coatings are required to achieve adequate thickness. This is mentioned in classical text. So, barber, the thread which is required, it is barber thread number 20, and Shar which is used, it is Apamark Shar prepared by usual method of Shar preparation. Snuhi latex is collected from the stem of the Snuhi, this is the Euphorbia nerifolia plant, and Haridra powder from the dry rhizomes. So, this is preparation of hanger. The thread are placed, then are smeared with the alkaline and drugs, which is then put in Shar Sutra drying oven, which is known as Shar Sutra cabinet, drying cabinet. So total 21 coatings are given. So these are the physiochemical characteristics as mentioned in API. So physiochemical characteristics, you can note it down, write it down, because it is very difficult to remember all the physiochemical characteristics. So it is better to write it down and revise it again and again. So physiochemical characters are: length of thread should be 29 to 31 centimeter, weight should be 0.9 to 1 gram, diameter or thickness should be 175 to 2 mm, tensile strength, breaking load not less than 5 kg होना चाहिए, loss on drying at 105 degree not more than 5%, water soluble extractive not less than 85%, hexane soluble extractive not less than 6%, sulfated ash 80 to 82%, and so on. pH should be 9.3 to 10.5, and so on. These are the essays: sodium, potassium, curcumin, turmeric, euphol, and packing and storage. It is mentioned. All these are mentioned in API. Common subject of Shar Sutra therapy. So, what are the common subjects of Shar Sutra therapy? First is fistuline ano, which is known as Bhagandar also. Second is pylonodal sinus. Third is piles or bawasir, and fourth is warts. These are the very common subjects of Shar Sutra therapy which is used, and among these four, fistuline ano or Bhagandar is the most common, and I would like to say that Shar Sutra therapy is the best therapy for fistuline ano rather than other surgeries. We need setup of minor OT, lithotomy table, spotlight, Shar Sutra dressing trolley, and instrument box. So this is how Shar Sutra is used in case of fistuline ano. This is Shar Sutra in place in case of fistuline ano again. So why Shar Sutra therapy is superior to surgery? Surgery superior क्यों है? क्योंकि ये slow cutting करता है track का by pressure necrosis, debridement करता है infected material का by Shar including infected anal glands, formation of healthy granulation tissue leads to good healing, minimal sphincteric mechanism disturbance करता है, और recurrence nil है और negligible recurrence rate है. This is Shar Sutra in case of pylonodal sinus. In second figure, probe is in place, and in third figure, you can see Sharsutra in pulmonary sinus. Mode of action of Sharsutra is mechanical action, chemical cauterization, and Sharsutra is capable of dissolving the tough fibrous tissues and finally drains it out, creating a healthy base for healing. So this is how Sharsutra acts. The effect of Sharsutra on local tissue is like active granulation with capillary formation, fibroblastic proliferation with collagen formation, epithelial hyperplasia, endorses early necrosis followed by active granulation, which is possible only with the drug delivery system of Sharsutra, that is the alkaline drug delivery system. So the most important benefits of Sharsutra over major surgery is that the muscles that support the anus and helps in controlling the bowel movements are not dissected, and hence helps the possibility of anal incontinence. Loss of power to hold stool is not there. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.